Hi, I'm Raj Shetter, son to a wonderful mother and an IT professional. My mother's name is Rajeshwari and I'm here to talk about her fight for life. She worked very hard to bring us up, very organized. Every day she woke up sharp at 5:30 in the morning and slept by 10:30. In between this was her whole world, her grandchildren, children, husband, and of course, her household work. It was in the month of July. She started experiencing diminution vision, followed by a series of fainting episodes, which got us all really worried. We took her to a hospital and did multiple tests. Later, a brain biopsy helped the doctor diagnose it. Primary central nervous system lymphoma, a type of brain cancer. After the diagnosis, we went ahead with chemotherapy. After 2 chemos, we started seeing the side effects on my mother. That's when I realized this is not going to be an easy journey. It reached a point where we could not take care of her at home. She needed professional help in dealing with her day-to-day life. First, we started looking for rehabilitation centers online. I even physically visited a few to look at the facilities provided. Sukino was amongst them, and it just simply stood out because of the people I met there and the confidence they gave me. I knew they were going to take good care of my mother.
She was in a bad state when she came here. She had undergone 2 cycles of chemotherapy, which had really taken a toll on her. We knew we had a tough task ahead of us, but my team and we were absolutely confident that we could do it. The treatment part was taken care of by the oncologist and the specialist. Our job was not only to help Rajeshwari endure her chemotherapy sessions, but also help her to gain her confidence and make her belief in life again, which is a difficult task, but we are sure we'll do it. Gradually, Rajeshwari began to realize that we are good people and we're here to help her. So she started cooperating with us, made it much easier, and she stood by us in every step of the journey to recovery.
When she first came here, first 2 chemos had made her physically very weak. Then came the next and the next. It was physically and emotionally draining for her to keep up. But our team at Sukino, we never give up. We started seeing changes after a series of exercises to improve the strength, balance, and independence in daily living activities. Now she can get up by herself and walk without a walker.
When I first saw her, she couldn't speak or swallow. She couldn't even recognize her own family members. After 3 weeks of therapy, I could literally see the changes. After 5 months at Sukino, she can now speak effortlessly. She can now eat all her favorite food. I was there when she was finally able to recognize her son. Their happiness was worth every effort.
I really don't know what they did in 5 months' time. I may call it a miracle. She is now taking 3-course meals. She can walk with minimal support. She can comfortably sit in a chair. I really don't know. It could be a divine intervention that made me bring her here. Treatment you can get anywhere, but the kind of emotional support my mother received at Sukino, unmatchable. Trust me, I thought I had lost all hopes, but I found it in Sukino.